drone crash that took place yesterday. I haven't heard any updates, but supposedly one of these has crashed and the FBI is looking into it. I know that doesn't really evoke a whole lot of confidence to hear that the FBI is now involved, as if that's really going to offer some answers here. But nonetheless, let's take a look at it. Allegedly, there is a drone down in Jersey.
A major response from authorities that could be related to an incident involving a drone. A major response from authorities that could be related to an incident involving a drone. It is happening in Hillsborough, New Jersey. Fox 5's Stephanie Bertini is live from that scene. Stephanie, obviously so much frustration about what is even happening in the skies above us. So this might be a big answer.
Yeah, Bianca, I talked to several people who tell us they heard a drone crash somewhere behind where I'm standing. We're working to get that information confirmed with officials. Our chopper has been flying over the area this morning. Here's some video. We're showing you that view from above. We're in a shopping plaza in Hillsborough, just off Route 206. First responders have been here all morning, including Hillsborough police, a lot of onlookers. I talked to one woman who says her concerns are growing, calling all the recent drone activity very bizarre. She says she heard the drone crash happened overnight here, but she says that she's seen several, what she believes are drones anyway, flying around her home. She says she lives not too far from where we're live right now. Now, we've reported on these drone concerns in New Jersey. Some experts have said the sightings could very well be lawfully manned aircrafts today. We're hearing from officials on Staten Island about the same topic. Take a listen.
You know, there's a saying that we had after 9/11: if you see something, say something. I think that's become, if you see something, don't worry about it, because we saw it too. And the people of Staten Island deserve answers. The people of this city and state and region deserve answers of what the heck is going on.
So we've heard from the FBI, and the FBI says there's no reason to believe that these recent possible drone sightings pose a national security threat. Now, in terms of what we're getting from local officials, we're being told we're going to get an update this afternoon at some point, Bianca, in terms of what they've been looking at here. Back to you inside. God.
Y'all are killing me in the chats. Rami posts, forget about it. I was thinking the same thing. All right, look, this is wild. And honestly, I'm not going to stop covering this until we get answers. I want to know. I want answers. I don't know how anybody is talking about anything other than this situation at this point. I know some people are talking about LeBron James, the Kardashians, or this and that. I can't even wrap my head around anything else at this point other than this situation, because it's such a pressing question. What are these drones? Are they drones? Right? What's going on? Who's behind them? What's the purpose for this? Every conceivable answer that I can think of. None of them are good. A lot of them just don't make any sense, no matter how I look at it. So I don't know. It's a really disturbing situation. I'm not going to stop covering it until we finally get a resolution. And honestly, I'm thinking that I really think unless the government gives people answers, this is going to descend into a fevered pitch of panic all over the country, if not the world. And it's going to become such a problem that they're going to be forced to give answers. And I hope it doesn't come to that, because I think there will be a lot of collateral damage that comes with it if it really is reduced to that desperate level of a situation. Let's briefly take a look at Neil deGrasse Tyson on the drones. Let's see him weigh in. Sometimes he has some good takes on these things. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and if you want to support the channel, visit patreon.com/Reason and Theology.